Hi guys, this is a short video that will teach you how to create Fiverr banner that will work for any niche that you're in. All you have to do is to download Adobe Photoshop. There's a link in the description that will teach you how you can do that, and then download the templates in the description too. That's a Google Drive file. You find it in there, and then let's go right into the video. And then to edit the template, you just have to choose the text selection tool or the move tool if you want to check out the layers. The layers are very easy to get and very customizable. You can easily change the text fonts and then resize the image text to suit your need. The main reason why I use the green graphics is because this will make your gig exclusive, because Fiverr's theme is green and white, and this will make your gig banner exclusive. Another thing you note here is that I used my picture in my gig banner. Fiverr is encouraging sellers to do this more because using your picture in your gig banner will make new buyers to have this sense of trust in you. So this will really work, and it's really working for me, and I hope you guys also try to make that put that in consideration. Another thing I'll talk about is if you don't see this panel over here, all you have to do is to click on Windows and character. You'll see that panel. You'll be able to edit your text more. Maybe you want to make it slant or bold, or you want to change the space in between the text. That's very easy to get. Adobe Photoshop is very easy, and you can also resize it to suit your need. To edit your image, all you have to do is to double click on this thumbnail over here. This will take you to a PSB file. This PSB file, all you have to do is just to drag and drop your image there. And then you have to resize the image. When you resize the image to suit your need, you can always come back here to resize it also. Thanks for watching this video, and if you really love this video, you can always add it to your save list. You can always like and subscribe to see more free contents like this, or more Photoshop tutorials and Fiverr tutorials. Thanks.